as I said, I follow the Kobesi letter like religiously. Again, it's on Twitter. Please go check it out. Okay. So, I'm not a socialist. I'm a capitalist. Okay. It's flat out. I don't believe in any of this other stuff that's going on in this country. Look, man, you educate yourself, you make your bed, you sleep in it. Take some responsibility, as opposed to, oh, it's this fault, it's their fault. It's always somebody's fault. I'm like, no, it's your fault. Where you are in life is your fault. Nobody's putting a gun to your head to do anything. It's a free country. Last time I checked, still it's a free country to a point. But so they put out this tweet, which I thought amazing. It goes to show the disparity between the haves and the have-nots. I talked about this on other videos in the past. Haves and have-nots, okay? The haves, Bentleys, Ferraris, and the have-nots are the people who go shopping at the dollar store or Dollar General, okay? Or Dollar Tree, okay? Or 99-cent store, whatever. But this tweet summed it up. The wealth gap is widening. Of course it is, because when we had zero interest rates for 15 years, ZERP, who benefited from zero interest rates the most? The wealthy did, because they borrowed at 0%, bought all the real estate, bought all the assets, they jacked up the rents, and that's it. That's how that's how you play Monopoly. So the wealth gap is widening. Sure it is. And, join the top 5%. There are ways to do it. So Ferrari, stock symbol is RACE, RACE. Share price have skyrocketed by 122% since the beginning of 2023 and are trading near all-time highs. So who buys Ferraris? I can't. I probably could, but there's not a goddamn chance I would. I'd rather buy 4 cars that are dependable with the price of one Ferrari. However, so this shows the disparity, the disparity or the gap, wealth gap widening. So Ferrari shares are going this way, as you guys can see on the chart on the right. And at the same time, Dollar General stock, DG is the symbol, David George, is down 65% and is close to its 7-year low. Who shops at the dollar store? Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Who shops there? People who live paycheck to paycheck, like the guy on the last one with the gun to his head, okay? Well, they're saying, by the way, they're the majority, right? The ones that are buying Ferraris are only like 2% of the population can do that. 98% are the other group. So if Dollar General stock or Dollar Tree stock is doing so bad, why? The average American can't even buy it there, okay? So I'm going like, okay, if that's happening currently, which it is, what does that say about the economy or our GDP? What's going to happen? We can already hardly spend money at the Dollar General store while the top is buying Ferrari after Ferrari, taking pictures on their social media. So one is the thriving luxury car manufacturers and struggling discount stores summarizes the current economic backdrop. Case closed. Enough said. The wealth divide is growing, and the rich have never been richer than they are now. Okay. Again, I'm a capitalist, but I'm fair. Fairness has to come into play. And the last line, which I've been talking about for 3 months. How is this a strong economy? We'll leave that question open. Maybe some of you will answer that. So that's that topic I want to talk about. I wanted to talk about that the wealth gap between the haves and have-nots has never been any wider, without a question, every shape or form. But you can join the party if you did what I asked you to do on the first segment, which was invest, dollar cost average, learn how to trade, try to move yourself up in the world, because nobody's going to give you anything for free.